This is a thank you video as well as a call for feedback on an idea that I have. Firstly, I'd like to thank all 1,000+ subscribers who've helped me reach this YouTube landmark, 1K. It's been a fascinating journey, but what's kept me motivated is the continued interest and thoughtful comments that I've received from many of you. Some of my videos have had over 4,000 views, but having a supportive inner circle is what I'm most grateful for, so thanks. Secondly, I'd like to get your feedback on an idea of adding an additional section to the channel in which I call for photographs from subscribers and then have a feedback video on that work. So it would be something like a portfolio review, but it could be a few photographs, a body of work, or it could actually be a portfolio itself. The reason that I'm asking for feedback is because there are potentially positives and negatives with this idea. It's possible that photographers who submit work might feel that it's a little exposing, but in order to make it interesting and useful, I'm going to have to be straightforward in my approach. A possible solution to this is that the photographers remain anonymous, or I can just give people the choice. Another potential problem is that depending on the number of submissions, I might not have time to get to everybody's work, and then the photographer has spent the time and effort sending them in and they might be disappointed that I haven't chosen or got to their work. One-on-one mentoring, as well as this kind of online mentoring space, requires that there's a trust that I have the photographer's best interests in mind. And also there's an understanding that my subjective opinion isn't the last word on the photographs or your work in general. Basically, my aim would be to give constructive feedback. So please let me know your thoughts about this in the comments so I can gauge the interest and also shape the format so it's of maximum usefulness. I look forward to reading your comments, and thanks once again, I really appreciate it.